What is up? Welcome back to a brand new video, and today I have these 1989 and 1988 Topps Major League Baseball, the real one packs. Okay, so let's crack into them. Now, the reason why these are like so inexpensive is because people back in the day, they used to get like hair dryers, I think it was, or whatever, and they used to go through this and take out all the good cards and then like reseal the packaging together. So let's see if that's how R is. Okay, here's the gum. Maybe one day we could do like a challenge and see if I could eat this. Okay, but like that's why they don't put the gum in the packs anymore. Okay, first card, let's do it this way. Carlton Fisk, Trevor Wilson, Mike McFarlane, Candy Sierra, Floyd Humans, Craig Worthington, Frank Dipino. That's pretty cool how like you would write in. I don't know if you could still do that, but Jim Acker, Terry Leach, Larry Sheets, Tony La Russa, Al Newman, Jose Alvarez, Bruce Ruffin, and a Dave Johnson. Okay, now let's get into the 1988. Okay. Also, wait. Oh, here's the gum. I was going to say, like, they didn't put gum in that. Okay, let's see if I could just flip these over. Okay. Les Straker, Bill Piccata, Ken Community, Paul Molitor, All-Star American League, Dave Winfield, Dave Martinez, Rich Gossage. Here's the thing. Then Jose D-Line, Don Gordon, All Pedrucci Topps All-Star Rookie, Terry Steinbach, Giants Leaders. So if you were a Giants fan, you might like that. Jose Nunez, Jim Gott, and Mike Morris is the one with the, oh, this one, it's pretty ruined. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if this video reaches 100 likes, I'll try eating this. Bye.